In this video, you will learn how to see your subscriptions on Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail, open Yahoo Mail in your browser, then sign into your account. Click on the Subscriptions tab. On the left hand sidebar, look and click for Subscriptions tab, usually found under the inbox or views like attachments or photos. View the email subscription. Yahoo will show a list of emails you regularly receive, the newsletters and services and promotions. Manage or unsubscribe. Click on the subscription to open it. Use the unsubscribe button if it's available, or Yahoo's built-in unsubscribe button when it is shown. Use search. If the subscription tab is missing, you can use the search. Search terms like subscribe, newsletter in the search bar to manually find subscriptions. Organize and delete as you need to. Select delete unwanted subscriptions and emails. Set up filters to move them automatically. Now you know how to see your subscriptions on Yahoo email. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.